Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back once again to JJ's PC Build. You know it is JJ with you once again. I'm doing a recap today of when I went to Micro Center, so I hope y'all stick around to the end and I'll let you know what I was thinking back then when I picked up what I picked up. Also, too, YouTube is going to copyright strike me, so I have to re-edit the video and bring it back to you guys. It's from July 8th of last year, so let's go ahead and just get to the part of the video, and at the end I'll explain everything there, so stick around and do stay with me on this. Today I'm doing a voiceover. One of my videos is because I don't want to get copyright struck by YouTube, so here we go. This is where I'm going into Micro Center, and I'm just walking along. I asked them at the counter over there, the tech counter, the tech bar, where do I need to go to get that CPU and motherboard? And they told me that I had to go all the way down to the other side, so that way, you know, I can go pick it up. This is where I was talking with one of the managers. He let me know what kind of deals were going on with the 5600 X3D and the CPU deals. So I was picking up all the stuff that I needed while they were actually picking it up for me. So I told him what I needed, and he said, yep, if you go to Micro Center, if they still got it, I got the bundle deal for $329. So it was a really good deal. That's what I did my Christmas build. Showing you the Ryzen 5 and tough motherboard. That's pretty much the system that I set up for Christmas. So now there you have it, a trip to Micro Center, less than 5 minutes. I took a 40-minute video and chopped it down to 5 minutes. I know you guys, I don't really like chopping the videos down like this, but YouTube left me with no choice because I think I have a feeling why they're shadow banning my account is because of these little copyright things. They say it's okay because the music that was on there, for some reason they're saying the music some other creator is using or whatever on YouTube and so on and so forth, but it's okay, you can use it too. But I have a feeling that, you know, it goes a little bit more than that. So the ones that I have the music on that YouTube's not allowing me, I had turned around and I went and created my own tunes for the background and everything else. This way, I've already tested it with YouTube to find out if it's copyright strike or not. So that's what I've been doing in the background. Finding the right kind of music to add to the channel and redefining what's going on. So just wanted to let you know that, and I do apologize because I have to do this, but I really don't like removing videos because of that. But I'm gonna do one better. I'm just gonna take and mute the music part to where they got it going on and what they're complaining about. I'm just going to mute it all together, leave the video there, but I'm going to rework the video and I'm going to do an up-to-date video on it, which I'm doing today. I know it kind of doesn't make sense to y'all, but bear with me. If I do this and I get the copyright things off, I'm sure YouTube will take and say, okay, well, he's taking care of it. He's doing his thing. But anyway, and this is the end of the video. So if you made it to the end of this video and you liked it, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. We're still working towards it. So if you want to be part of the 1,000 or greater, make sure you subscribe and give a thumbs up on the video. I know it's going to kind of stink a little bit, so I want you to understand, put a positive like on this, please. Thank you. Also, too, I'm going to make it to where you can see the likes, so that way, you can see who doesn't like or who likes or whatever. I'm fixing that all up today, so. But anyway, until the next time in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the